Here we want to find length of perpendicular. So what is the length of this perpendicular? Mean distance PL. Now let this equals to lambda. So general coordinates of point L on line 3 lambda plus 6, 2 lambda plus 7 minus 2 lambda plus 7. Now direction ratios of PL are proportional to 3 lambda plus 6 minus 1, 2 lambda plus 7 minus 2, minus 2 lambda plus 7 minus 3. So direction ratios are 3 lambda plus 5, 7 minus 2, 5, 7 minus 3, 4. Now direction ratios of AB is 3, 2 and minus 2. Now since these two lines are perpendicular, therefore A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equals to 0. Put the values 3 into 3 lambda plus 5, 2 into 2 lambda plus 5, minus 2 into minus 2 lambda plus 4. 3 into 3, 5 into 3, 2 into 2, 5 into 2, minus minus plus minus 8. So 9, 4 and 4. 9 plus 8, 17 lambda. 10 minus 8 is 2. 15 plus 2, 17. So what we get? 17 lambda is equals to minus 17. So we get the value of lambda as minus 1. Put the value of lambda here. Minus 3 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 7. Minus minus plus 2 plus 7. 6 minus 3, 7 minus 2, 7 plus 2. So x2, so we get the value L, coordinates of L, 3, 5, 9. Now we want to find the distance between these 2 points using distance formula. 3 minus 1 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square, 9 minus 3 whole square. So what we get? 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square, 4, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 square, 9 minus 3, 6 square. That is 49, so 7 units. So the square root of distance between the points P and L is 7 units. सबसे पहले जो हमें line given है, we put it equal to lambda, then we have find the general coordinates of point L. Then direction ratios of PL, then direction ratios of AB. Since these two lines are perpendicular, therefore A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equals to 0. After that, we get the value of lambda as minus 1. Put the value of lambda here, then we get the coordinates of point L. Then by using distance formula, we find the distance between PL. The next is find the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point. Foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 2i minus j plus 5k to the line. R vector is equals to 11i minus 2j minus 8k plus lambda 10i minus 4j minus 11k. Also find the length of perpendicular. Let the position vector of L be. Position vector of L क्या होगा? This is A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector. क्या होगा? 11 plus 10 lambda I cap minus 2 minus 4 lambda j cap minus 8 minus 11 lambda k cap. This is position vector of L. Now what we have to do to find the direction ratios proportional to PL are direction ratio of PL are proportional to 11 plus 10 lambda minus 2 कोऑर्डिनेट्स में k. So what we get? 11 minus 2, 9 plus 10 lambda minus 4 lambda minus 1 minus 11 lambda minus 13. Now direction ratios of AB. Direction ratio of line AB are, that is B vector, R vector is equals to A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector. These are direction ratios in the vector form. So direction ratio of AB are 10 minus 4 minus 11. We can write it in I, J and K components also. Now PL is perpendicular to AB. Therefore A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0. 10 into 9 plus 10 lambda minus 4 into minus 4 lambda minus 1 minus 11 into minus 11 lambda minus 13. 10 into 9, 10 into 10. Minus minus plus 143. 100, 121 and 16. 121 plus 100, 221 plus 16, 237 lambda, 94 and 143. So we get lambda is equals to minus 1. 237 lambda is equals to minus 237. So lambda is minus 1. Now find the coordinates of L. Put the value of lambda here. 11 minus 10 minus 2 minus minus plus 4 minus 8 minus minus plus 11. So 1, 2 and 3. So coordinates of L are 1, 2, 3. We can write it as I plus 2j plus 3k. Now we want to find the distance PL. Distance PL is, if this is in the vector form, then PL is I minus 2I, position vector of L minus position vector of P. We can write it as I plus 2j plus 3k minus 2I minus j plus 5k minus I 2 plus 1 3 3 minus 5. Now distance is magnitude of this minus 1 square plus 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So square root of 14 units. So the distance PL is square root of 14 units. अगर हमें इक्वेशन वेक्टर फॉर्म में गिवन है, then first solve A1 plus lambda B1, then direction ratios of PL. You can also write it here as I cap, J cap and K cap, and here also. Then we take the product, then I dot I will be 1, J dot J and K dot K. So we get the value of lambda as minus 1. Now find the coordinates of point L, then write it in the position vector form. PL vector is position vector of L minus position vector of P. Then we want to find the distance. So distance is magnitude of PL vector. Now the next question. Find the image of point in the line. This is most important question. 6 marks में इस तरह का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. Find the image of point 163 in the line. Let this is the line AB. This is L. Now we want to find the image of this point. Image of this point will be in the opposite direction. let it as Q. Right? Find the image of point 163 in the line x upon 1, y minus 1 upon 2, z minus 2 upon 3. सबसे पहले हमें इमेज ऑफ पॉइंट फाइंड करना है. इस पॉइंट की इमेज फाइंड करनी है, मींस Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स. Also write the equation of line joining the given point and its image. उसके बाद हमें P और Q की इक्वेशन लिखनी है. Equation of line joining the point and its image, and find the length of segment joining the given point and its image. After that, we have to find the distance PQ. So let us start. First, जो equation हमें given है, let it be equal to lambda. Now the coordinates of L will be, coordinates of L क्या होंगे? Coordinates of L 1 into lambda, 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2. Clear? ये हो गया हमारे पास coordinates of L. Now we want to find direction ratios of PL are proportional to lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 1 minus 6, 3 lambda plus 2 minus 3. Lambda minus 1, 2 lambda minus 5, 3 lambda minus 1. Now direction ratios of line AB, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now PL is perpendicular to AB. PL is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equals to 0. 1 into lambda minus 1, 2 into 2 lambda minus 5, 3 into 3 lambda minus 1. So lambda minus 1, 4 lambda minus 10, 9 lambda minus 3, 5, 14 lambda minus 11 minus 14. So from here we get lambda as 1. Now to find the coordinates of L, put the value of lambda here. 1, 2 into 1, 3 into 1. So the coordinates of L are 1, 3 and 5. यहाँ तक हमने foot of perpendicular तक same question किया है. क्या किया सबसे पहले? Coordinates of L लिए, then direction ratios of PL and AB. Since these two lines are perpendicular, therefore we find the value of lambda and then the coordinates of L. Now हमें Q के coordinates निकालने हैं, then equation of line PQ and then distance PQ. Let the coordinates of Q, let coordinates of Q are x1, y1, z1. हमने मान लिए Q के coordinates x1, y1, z1 है. Since Q is the image of point P, जितनी ये ऊपर होगा image उतनी ही नीचे होगी. It means जो L है, it is the midpoint of PQ. Coordinates of Q are this. Since L is midpoint of PQ, using the midpoint formula, x1 plus 1 upon 2, y1 plus 6 upon 2, z1 plus 3 upon 2 is equals to coordinates of L. क्या फाइंड किया हमने? 1, 3, 5. इससे हमें x1, y1, z1 that is coordinates of Q मिल जाएंगे. x1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1, y1 plus 6 by 2 is equals to 3, z1 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 5. x1 is 2 minus 1, 3 into 2 6 minus 6, 5 into 2 10 minus 3 7. So coordinates of Q हमारे पास क्या आ गए? 1 0 7. So these are coordinates of Q. Now we want to find equation of line PQ. Now we know Cartesian equation of line joining two points. What is the equation for that? X minus x1, y minus y1 z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. This is the equation. Now x minus 1, x2, 1 minus 1, y minus y1, z minus z1, y2, 6 minus 0, 3 minus 7. So x minus 1 upon 0, y upon 6, z minus 7 upon minus 4. Here x1, y1, z1 is 6 and 3. These are x1, y1, z1. These are x2, y2, z2. So x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. So x minus 1 upon 0, y minus 6 upon minus 6, z minus 3 upon 4. So this is the equation of line PQ. Now we want to find the distance between point P and Q using distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. 0, 6 square, 36, 7 minus 3, 4 square, 16. So square root of 52 units. So distance between these points is square root of 52 units. We can write it as 4 into 13. So 2 square root of 13 units. सबसे पहले हमने foot of perpendicular L के coordinates निकालने तक same किया. Now since Q is the image of P, therefore L is the midpoint of PQ. By using midpoint formula, we find the coordinates of point Q. After finding the coordinates of point Q, now we want to find equation of line PQ, which is made by joining two points by using this formula for the equation of line. We find the equation of line PQ. After that, by using distance formula, find the length of P and Q. Length between points P and Q. So this is the important question. You will have to practice for these types of questions. Now the next one is show that the distance d from point P to line L. Suppose this is line L. Distance d from point P to line L. Having equation, line की equation given है a plus lambda b vector is given by, we have to prove that d is equals to b cross pq vector upon magnitude of b vector, where q is any point on line L. Q is any point on line L. Now let q makes an angle theta. Let PM be the perpendicular, this point as M, PM be the perpendicular on line L and Q be the point on it such that PQ makes angle theta with L, then sin theta is P upon H. Perpendicular is PM, hypotenuse is PQ. PM is D, now this is PQ. D is PQ. So we get the value of D as PQ sin theta. Now we want B vector here. So multiply this equation by magnitude of B vector PQ sin theta. A B sin theta. We have the formula A cross B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B sin theta. Magnitude of A, magnitude of B sin theta, that is equals to magnitude of A into B. So from here we get D as B vector question. Find the distance from the point this to the line. Find the distance from the point 3 minus 8 1 to the line x minus 3 by 3, y plus 7 upon minus 1, z plus 2 upon 5 by using the formula derived in previous example. जो हमने previous example में derive किया है formula, उसके basis पे हमें बताना है. Now let this is the point Q. Q passes this line, passes through point 3 minus 7 minus 2, passes through point this. Therefore coordinates of Q are, Q जो point है that passes through line L. So Q के coordinate क्या आ गए हमारे पास 3 minus 7 and minus 2. Also line is parallel to the B vector. B vector क्या हुआ हमारे पास 3i minus j plus 5k. Line is parallel to B vector. So B vector is